Every hair growth video promises results in 10 days. I'm going to tell you why that's a lie, and what actually works instead. You've looked at the shower drain and thought, has it always fallen this much? Yeah, me too. And the internet's answer is always some RS2000 serum that fixes everything in 2 weeks. Here's the truth. Healthy hair starts with what you eat, not what's on your shelf. 2 seeds sitting in your kitchen right now can genuinely help. Not overnight, but they work. And seed 2 has an actual clinical study behind it. Seed 1, pumpkin seeds. Sounds boring, I know, but they're loaded with zinc, iron, magnesium, and protein. Think of your hair follicles as tiny factories. Zinc handles repair, iron carries oxygen to your scalp, and protein is literally what your hair is made of. Here's what convinced me. A clinical study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine had men with pattern hair loss take pumpkin seed oil for 24 weeks. They saw significantly more growth than the placebo group. That's not an influencer claim, that's a study. How to eat it. Sprinkle it over poha, mix it into curd, or roast it with black salt as a snack. Now seed 2, flaxseed. Everyone talks about it for digestion. Nobody talks about it for hair. It's packed with omega-3s that protect your scalp's natural barrier. The actual foundation hair grows from, but here's the catch. Eat it whole, and your body barely absorbs anything. You have to grind it. That one detail is the difference between this seed doing something or nothing. Ground flaxseed goes into curd, smoothies, oats, or straight into your atta. You won't even taste it. Now, I need to be honest with you. This is not a 10-day miracle. Hair grows about 1 centimeter a month. That's biology. Give it a few months. And one seed won't save you if you're sleeping 5 hours a night and skipping meals. You still need protein, iron, sleep, and lower stress. If your hair fall suddenly turns severe, or you see bald patches, skip the home remedies and see a dermatologist. If this saved you from buying another miracle serum, subscribe. I break down real research behind trending health claims every week. Comment, pumpkin seeds or flax seeds? Which one are you starting tonight?